do want to try to squeeze in this one question if we think we can get it answered in under a minute or so. But if we could just talk about how there was an all hands on deck approach over the last year, just to simply deal with absences and the like. Does that mean my managers are doing more manual labor than pre-pandemic, and am I required to treat them then as non-exempt? We have an answer for that, or do we want to push that to a later time?
Sure, I think we can answer. This is Will. I believe that what we're saying to you very clearly is when those job duties change, it's time to take a look. So if that individual is now spending a great deal or majority of their time on manual labor in some states, that's going to defeat the exemption. At the federal level, as long as they don't detach from their overall management duty, you can keep the exemption. But the more time they're spending doing the actual work, the more likely it is going to be difficult to keep that exemption. And if you have a lot of emails and company directives advising people to just get the work done, it could come back to haunt you.